In this video, we're going to be using the UPSC model for solving word problems with fractions. In case you forgot, U stands for understand. What is the problem asking me to do? P is your plan. What steps do I need to take to solve the problem? S, you solve. Make sure you show your work and check. Solve the problem a different way to see if you get the same answer. So let's get started. The teacher assigned a project to the class. Evan finished 1/5 of his project before lunch. Amy finished half of her project. How much more did Amy finish? So, what do I understand? Well, I have two fractions, 1/5 and 1/2. And then I have this question, how much more did Amy finish? Well, I know that how much more tells me I need to find the difference. So what's my plan? Well, I see that these two denominators are not the same, so I'll need to use the LCM to find a common denominator. And then in order to find the difference, I'll need to subtract. Okay, so one half and 1/5. I need to list the first couple of multiples for each of these different denominators. I like to start with the first 5. Okay, and I see that both of these numbers have a multiple of 10, right? So that's going to be my new denominator. So I figure out 1/2 equals how many tenths and 1/5 equals how many tenths. Well, 2 times 5 equals 10. And whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. Okay, and 5 times 2 equals 10. So now I have my new fractions. 1/2 equals 5/10 and 1/5 equals 2/10. Now I'm ready to subtract. Okay, so 5/10 minus 2/10 equals 3/10. Amy finished 3/10 more of her project than Evan did. Now to check, I'm actually just going to draw a picture. So Amy finished half of her project. Adding in my fifths for Evan, and Evan finished 2/10 of his project, and I have 3 left. If you want to check your subtraction, you can just add these two fractions together. Okay, and it worked. So 3/10 is my answer, and that's how you use the UPSC to solve word problems with fractions.